Good afternoon everyone. Today I discuss about computer. I have already discussed about computer last day. But once again today I recall you what I had been taught in the last session. Really, a computer. A computer means electronic device. Because why? Because computer runs through electricity. You have already known electronic device run by electricity. That's why computer is run by electricity. That's why we all call electricity devices of computer. Today we have already discussed about computer. Today's definition of computer, the word computer is derived from Latin word which means calculation. Calculation means to count anything. Suppose the people used to count anything at the previous time through the finger, because at that time there were no any computer devices available can people count. That's why either people count through finger or through marking on wall. Suppose you have remembered, if you were checking milk, your mother, father, keeping the record on the wall like this way. You have remember. That's why now, since a computer came, everything began through computer. Really, when the computer came, every work started operated by computer. That's why generally a computer works on the basis of following function. Really, everything has rules and regulation. Without rule regulation, nothing any work go ahead. That's why computer has on some function. That function is IPO cycle. Do you know, my dear students? IPO means input, processing, output. That's how. Input means whatever you data feed to the computer, then how you put data through the computer. Really, keyboard is the main device, input device through we give instruction to the computer. So this is processing. After whatever you type, A, B, C, D, numerical 1, 2, 3, whatever function you give, everything you just give through the keyboard. Okay, you understood. Now the next process is processing. Whatever you data give to the computer, the final processing through the CPU, central processing unit. Every data whatever you give to computer, second round is processing. It summarize itself. Really, data is typed by keyboard is really okay or not. That means verify. After verification completion, the next process is output. Output means what? Whatever you type through keyboard, you see on the screen. Suppose this is the board, whiteboard. Whatever I wrote on this whiteboard, you are able to watch. How? Because this is output. So monitor is also like that. You can watch whatever you type, whatever movies, whatever you do, everything watch through the monitor. So I remember once again everyone, computers main IPO cycle. Cycle means step, 1 step, 2 step, 3 step. Similarly, input, processing, output. On this basis computer works. This is the main basis computer works. Now next I going to tell you about use of computer. Really, computer is used in different sector. Really, in a modern era there are different kinds of computer available in market. Some of them I call you and remind you: mainframe computer, micro computer, mini computer, personal computer. It is the computer on the basis of usage. Except this one, use of computer means where really computer is used. Bank, airport, market, in commercial, film city, research center, medical field, Yeah, there are lots of places where computer is used. So now a computer, we are living and surviving on the era of computer, technological era. That's why computer is very, very important to all. Did you understand? Computer. Remember one new computer was derived from the Latin word, which means calculation, to count. In Latin word, computer were known by computere. Okay? Okay, thank you. Thank you so much everyone. Please like and subscribe for more video. Thank you so much.